remember just being wowed in my chemistry class when my professor said, all the molecules around you are moving, like the table that you're sitting at is vibrating because it's not at 0 Kelvin. And that just blew my mind. I'm like, what are you talking about? Hi, I'm Dave Goodlett, and I'm a professor at UVic as well as director of the Proteomics Center. Our lab uses some mass spectrometry, which is an analytical technology to study the structure-function relationship of molecules. So basically, we take molecules apart to figure out how they were put together, and then that tells us something about their function. Our research is important because pretty much all of biology works around the concept of molecular recognition, and that's why molecules either react or don't react. And in our case, we're studying inflammatory microbial lipids, and the structure of those lipids tells us something about whether or not you're going to, say, mount a cytokine response or not mount a cytokine response to clear an infection. The advantages that the students have when they graduate are, because UVic is a small university, we're able to give them hands-on time with instruments here at the Proteomics Center that they might not otherwise get at a bigger university. And as a result, they get into the lab and are able to generate their own data using a mass spectrometer.